Hello and welcome to Carnegie and today's presentation. My name is Hjalmar and I'm an analyst with the bank. Today I will talk about Arcoma, who manufactures and sells digital X-ray solutions with ergonomic features within the premium segment. Arcoma has more than 30 years of experience in the market and a global base of more than 3,500 installed systems. The company addresses a global market worth approximately $2 billion with a CAGR of 5 to 6% annually. Sales are executed via distributors and global OEM agreements, and during 2022, about 1/3 of sales were from North America, 60% from Europe and the rest from Asia. We have a fair value range of 13 to 14 kronor per share. Our case is that Arcoma has a solid product offering in the premium segment of the digital X-ray market, with extensive market experience since the early 90s. Furthermore, Arcoma has lucrative agreements with market-leading companies such as Canon and Konica Minolta. Notably, Canon has invested substantial amounts and established new subsidiaries to strengthen their presence in the important US market. With Arcoma's OEM partner Canon Medical Systems, we believe Arcoma has the ability to strongly benefit from Canon's market advancements looking forward. Today, I will talk about the strong recent Q4 numbers, with emphasis on the drivers of margin and growth drivers, and why we see momentum in revenue heading into 2024. Additionally, we will take a short look at Arcoma's improved financial situation. Since the start of 2020, Arcoma has faced a market heavily affected by the pandemic in all geographical segments, affecting the extent of hospital investments and constructions and causing prolonged procurement processes. This has caused downward pressure on sales and profitability levels, which was clearly visible during 2021 and through 2022. Recently, Arcoma presented solid Q4 2023 numbers, which in our view clearly marks the return to pre-pandemic levels. Full-year sales for 2023 reached 163 million SEK with an EBITDA margin of 8%, which is a level of sales and profitability not achieved since 2019. In our view, Arcoma now has clearly left the effects from the pandemic behind, as is evident by the sales and margin development, particularly during the second half of 2023. In our view, this development is caused by a few factors. First, a clear driver of sales has been the increasing activity of OEM partner Canon to achieve an increased share in the US market. The Canon agreement has enabled Arcoma to address larger scale procurements, along with additional investments in staffing. The Canon partnership is expected to be a continued driver of growth looking into 2024. For Q4 of 2023, we saw 49% growth in the North Americas, and we believe that this market momentum will continue into the new year. Second, regarding the profitability, the back end of 2023 saw improved profit margins for Arcoma. We believe that this was caused by some low margin products in the order book being delivered early 2023, causing substantial margin pressure that we saw in the first quarter. Margins have then subsequently improved, reaching an EBITDA margin of 11% in the fourth quarter, and full year levels that has not been achieved since before the pandemic. We believe that margins toward the latter end of the year was heading towards more normalized levels. Furthermore, we believe that sales in EMEA is putting pressure on overall margins. We believe that continued positive development in the US would create a favorable geographical mix, positively affecting margins for Arcoma in 2024. Additionally, the strengthened margins, along with stronger operating cash flow year over year during 2023, has enabled Arcoma to reduce the net debt, including factoring, and putting the company in an improved financial position, providing a good ground for increased investment into expansion during 2024 and forward. To summarize, Arcoma has now reported sales and margins that has remained solid at pre-pandemic levels, and we argue the effects from the pandemic no longer are reflected in the order book or reported sales and margins. Arcoma has furthermore improved the financial situation with the use of cash flow provided during 2023. Thanks for watching.